Okay, so here we are. Live stream is on, and I hope so that I'm audible. I hope so that I'm visible. Yes, we are on. Yes, I'm visible. Yes, we are visible. Hey guys, welcome back to Coders Arcade. This is Ashank David, and welcome back to our 31st live session of Data Structures and Algorithms Placement Series. So if you are new here, I would like to request you people to please like, share and subscribe to our channel Coders Arcade, and don't forget to press the bell icon also so that you won't miss any future updates. Apart from this, in today's live session, we are going to talk about graphs. In last two classes, we have already talked about graphs, basic theory of graphs, how graphs they work, how things works in graphs, and what all how we can represent the graphs. We can represent the graphs in two ways: adjacency list and adjacency matrix. So if you haven't watched those videos yet, previous videos yet, go ahead and watch that, and do press the bell icon also. Let me just check if the stream is healthy. Yes, the stream is absolutely healthy. I can see the mic also going, and yeah, so I am audible, I am visible, guys. If you have any issues with the mic itself in the audible thing, you please do let me know, guys. I'll be seeing that. So guys, let us start our today's live session, and yeah, let's see. All right, guys, so in the last class we have talked about how we can do adjacency matrix. In today's class we will be talking about how we can do adjacency list. So we'll start by opening up the Microsoft whiteboard, and I know it is very bright, but don't worry, I'll be putting it onto black mode, that is right like this. Yep, and we are back. I'm the only one managing the camera also itself, so bear with me, and I have to put again and again, I have to press a button for the camera. Alright guys, let us start our today's session. Without any further ado, let's get right into the concept. Before I start with this video, guys, I would like to request you people to please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon also so that you won't miss any future updates. Also share this live stream with as many viewers as possible, many people as possible. So for those people who want to learn DSA all for free, they also can learn from this live stream. Now let's start our live stream. Okay, so we were already talking about our graphs concept, and in the graphs concept we have still now understood the graphs, the theory of the graphs. Okay, we were already talking about it, so let's start. Graphs we were already talking about, and we have done the graph representation. Okay, and till now here we have done two things. Number one is adjacency matrix. We have implemented this already in our previous live stream, and we have number two, adjacency list. This is what we are gonna cover in today's class. Adjacency list is what we are going to cover in today's class. Alright guys, let's get right into the concept. About the doubt, live stream number 32 is, yes guys, unfortunately it is corrupted and I could not bring that live stream back, so I need to record that live stream again, and I will have to cover it separately, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, so live stream number 32 got messed up, and we could not bring that live stream back. It was all about the advanced version, two-dimensional vectors and matrix. So yep, that's a bad news guys, but it's okay. Unfortunately that happened, but we will continue and we'll continue to more new live stream content, guys, and we will try to bring that back. So give me some time about it and I'll be bringing that back. Definitely after this topic is over, I'll cover that topic also and I'll finish that as soon as possible. Alright guys, alright, so we will start, we will continue. We are going to talk today about adjacency list. Okay, we are going to talk about adjacency list. Imagine that this is our graph. Let's say this is our graph. Let's take up the same graph that we used to take before, and like that, like that, like that. This is going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is okay. Let us say this is our graph, and let us say now I want to create the adjacency list representation of this graph, guys. How do I do that? Adjacency matrix, we have already understood that we will be creating n by n matrix. So there are total number of 6 nodes. So starting from 0 to 6, 6 by 6 matrix will be created, and in that 6 by 6 matrix I will be putting up the weights in that particular coordinates where the edges are meeting. So that was our adjacency matrix representation of the graph. In now here we are going to talk about adjacency list. So let us see how it is going to be created. Adjacency list is created by noting down all the nodes. So we have 0, we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, we have 5. Alright guys, we have all these nodes. Once you have noted down all these nodes, what you need to do is that you need to see its neighbors. So you see whose neighbors are zeros neighbors. Zeros neighbors are 1 and 5. So zeros neighbors are 1 and 5. So we will now note both of them down into the adjacency list of 0 for that reason. So I am going to say here 1, 5 are the neighbors of 0. So like this we will do. Okay guys. Then who are the neighbors of 1 starting from 1? Who are the neighbors of 1? 1's neighbor are 5 and 2 and 0 itself. So here I am going to start by 0, I am going to go towards 2 and I am going to go towards 5. So these are 1's neighbors. I hope so that this is very much clear to all of you. Then let us say who all are 2's neighbor. 2's neighbors are 1, we have 3, 4, 5. 1, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 3, 4, 5 like this. I hope so that this is very much clear to all of you. Alright guys. So this is your adjacency list till now. Then we have 3. So 3 will have the adjacency list members as 2 and 4, that's it. So 2 and 4. So I'll say 2, 4. Understood this? Then we have 4. 4 has 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. So it will be 2, 3 and 5 will be the adjacency list. Okay guys. Then we have 5. So for 5 we have 0, 1, 2, 4. 0, 1, 2, 4. 0, 1, 2, 4. And guys, here we go. We have created the adjacency list that we are looking for in this case. This is the adjacency list, guys. I hope so that this is absolutely clear. This is how you create the adjacency list of any matrix, any particular graph. So this is how it is done, guys. I hope so that this is absolutely clear to all of you guys. Clear? Anybody any doubts? Please ask me in the live session and I will be there available. I can see the live chat right in front of me, guys. Okay, this is how your adjacency list would look like, and today let us discuss about how we can implement the code for it, how we can write the code for it, what all things we are going to use in the code for this. Alright guys, let us talk about that. Okay, so here we are guys, and I can implement the code in two ways. This can be using vectors, or maybe I can create it using maps, which we have already done before. Alright guys, which we have already done before. For session number 30, 31, 32 are those sessions where we have done vectors and maps guys. Clear? Alright. Now, how will I represent this whole matrix, this whole list? How will I do this? See, to do this, I can create a vector of vector, correct? I can create a vector of vector where this can be whole as one vector, where every element inside it has another vector inside. Vector of type vector I can create, or maybe I can create a list, basically map. I can create map where these are going to be key and these are going to be value, and values are taken as pairs of list, basically. Understood this guys? So in this case we are going to create our adjacency list in the code. How? Let us talk about by seeing the first one, vector of type vector. Okay guys, this is the adjacency list representation using the vectors. See how we have implemented it. You see, we have started by importing the vector and we have created the class graph. In the public section of the graph, we have created a vector of type vector. A vector of type vector. So that means that all the keys and all the values are placed into this type of vector of type vector. Okay. In the graph constructor, we already have discussed about graphs constructor before. In the graphs constructor, we are resizing the adjacency vector to that particular n. Okay, that particular n. So number of vertices is gonna be the number of places available in the vector for us to use. I hope so that this is very much clear. Then we have the add edge function, which is going to be created where it is going to take up u, v and the direction. It is very simple guys. You see, add edge is the function which we were using in the last class also, where I have told how in matrix how the vectors are going to be used for creating and adding the edges for the between two nodes. In this case, u and v are the two nodes here. Okay. So in direction we are taking if the direction is given as 1 or 0. So if direction is given as 0, it is undirected. If the direction is given as 1, it is directed. True or false, we are taking in terms of C plus plus. I hope so that this is very much clear. Now we know this how we have learnt in the vectors class, session number 31. If you have not seen that, watch that and come back to this class. And guys, I have explained there how we can push back the elements in the vector and why and what exactly is this pushback. So I said adjacency list of u, adjacency vector of u means at that particular point for u, you have to push back the v's. Understand my point? And if it is directed, if it is 0, that means if it is a non-directed, then you will push v into u also. You have done v into u and now you are doing u into v, because it is going to be undirected. Undirected means it is going to be both ways. I hope so that this is very much clear to all of you guys. Clear? Absolutely clear. Then we have the print adjacency list, where we are just printing the adjacency list. Very simple guys. I will write the for loop here for int I equals to 0, where I will go till less than the adjacency list size and I plus plus. We are just printing that particular arrow, and here we are using the special for loop. Now guys, I have already explained about this also in my vectors concept. What exactly is this auto? Auto will automatically take and do the job. This is a special for loop, this is for each loop. So for auto j in the adjacency list of I, so go there in that particular I, go there in that particular I, and then push back. Then you have to not push back, just print. So for printing we are using this. I hope so that this is very much clear to all of you. Correct guys? I hope so that this is very much clear, and this is the easiest way of implementing the adjacency list. Okay, we can give the same input right here. I can give, so enter the number of nodes, enter the number of edges. Okay, and we can just give the edges. We can create the u and v, and we can take u and v, and we can add the edges those many number of times, and then later on I can just print the adjacency list. Guys, I hope so that this is absolutely clear to all of you guys. Anybody any doubts? Please ask me in the chat section. Okay, right. Now on the other hand, this was done with the help of vectors. Now if I say with the help of maps, how would you do it? With the help of maps, guys. This is going to be interesting because I have already explained you how maps they work in C++, how the maps they work in C++, and how they are implemented. So I am going to use unordered maps, and I have not taught about list yet, but guys, this is a doubly linked list. If you want to use STL lists, STL doubly linked list, then you use directly hash include, just say list, and it will do the job. Alright guys, then using namespace std, we have taken class graph, and here we have created the, just like how we have created the vector, guys, I have created the unordered map. Now I have created unordered map, you can use normal maps also, and it will be ordered. That's it, that's the only difference. And remember guys, I have already explained you that in C++ there are no hash maps. Understood? Unordered maps have taken, int is going to be the key here, and the value is going to be the list of integer. This is what we have understood, right? That this is gonna be the key and this is gonna be the list, pairs of all the values. Understood this guys? I hope so that this is very much clear to all of you. Okay, so in the two things I have taken, integer and the list of type integer here. Okay guys, and then the name of the adjacency list is adj here. Add edge function we have created, where we are taking uv and bool direction, very similar to what we have done just now. And yeah, in this case I am also just doing the pushback directly here. So u to push back that into v, and if the direction is given, then same exact thing you have to do in terms of this as well guys. I hope so that this is very much clear guys. Then we have the print adjacency list. We are doing for auto int I, same thing we are doing, like how we have printed in the the ordered map, in the unordered map class. I guess that was also session number 31 itself. We are using this, and this is how we just printed directly. I hope so that this is very much clear to all of you. And guys, there you go. This is your thing. This is your graphs being done. Let us run one of them and see how it works, how it looks like, and how we are gonna push. Alright, so let us see how many edges, the vertices are there. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 edges, 6 vertices, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 edges are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So here we have 6 nodes and 9 edges, where we will see that we have edge from 0 to 1, 0 to 1 we have one edge, we have 0 to 5 we have, 0 to 5 we have, then we have 1 to 2, 1 to 2 we have, then we have excuse me, 1 to 5, 1 to 5 we have, then we have 0 to 1 it is done, 0 to 5 it is done, 1 to 5 it is done, 1 to 2 it is done, 2 to 5 it has to be done, okay. Then 5 to 4 it has to be done, okay. 2 to 4 it has to be done, 2 to 3 and 3 to 4, 2 to 3 it has to be done, and 3 to 4 it has to be done. And there you go guys, this is our adjacency list being printed in an unordered way, because this is an unordered map. I hope so that this is very much clear to all of you guys. Now look at how it works. Let us test it out guys, let us test it out. Let us see. For 3 we have 2 and 4, absolutely correct. For 3 we have 2 and 4, for 3 we have 2 and 4, for 4 we have 5, 2, 3, for 4 we have 5, 2 and 3, then for 2 we have 1, 5, 4, 3, for 2 we have 1, 5, 4, 3, absolutely correct. For 5 we have 0, 1, 2, 4, 0, 1, 2, 4, absolutely correct guys. For 0 we have 1 and 5, yes, absolutely correct. And for 1 we have 0 to 5, for 1 we have 0 to 5, absolutely correct guys. I hope so that this is very much clear to all of you. We are able to print the adjacency list by ourselves. I hope so that this is very much clear to all of you guys, and this is how we have done the adjacency list code implementation. I will give the code in the description below. I'll pin up the code in the comment section. Actually, notes will be provided in the comment section directly. And yeah, that's all for today's class guys. I hope so that this is very much clear. Now today's class was a very very small class, where I don't want to stretch the class anymore, because it's a very easy concept, and I don't want to stretch the live streams more here, because audience retention is also one thing. So guys, I hope so that in today's class it is very much clear to all of you how it works, what is adjacency list, what is adjacency matrix guys. We have understood all of that very clearly. In tomorrow's class we will be doing the traversal. We will do the traversal. We will do the traversal DFS in graphs. It is very easy guys. Trust me, one of the most important algorithms we are going to do tomorrow for traversal. And yeah. Alright guys, I hope so that this is very much clear. Now people watching this live stream, if you have any doubts, please do ask me. If you have any doubts, please do ask me. I will be there to clear your doubts. If no doubts, I'm gonna switch off this live stream as well. Well guys, I hope so that there are no doubts in the live stream guys. And yep, if you have any doubts, please do tell me in the comment section below. I will be clearing the doubts. And yep, tomorrow the same time, I believe tomorrow Gandhi Jayanti, happy Gandhi Jayanti by the way guys. Tomorrow we will be doing the same time, the class will be there at the same time, and I hope so by the end of this 9th or 10th of the September I will be finishing up the concept, I guess so. Let us see how it happens, how it works. By the end of this first 10 days of October, I'll finish up the live stream guys. Alright, that's all guys. Thank you so much for watching, and do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And thank you so much for lots of love that you have shown us in our channel. It motivates us, it motivates me to create more such content like this, and teach with more passion here on my channel guys. Thank you so much guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Also you don't forget to follow us on Telegram, because Telegram is something where we post our content daily. So support us on Telegram also guys. And yep, any updates related to anything, I'll be letting you guys know onto our Telegram channel guys. Well, that's all for this live stream guys. Thank you so much guys. I will be seeing you again tomorrow at what time? Tomorrow we can do 7 o'clock Indian Standard Time, the same time which I usually come. And tomorrow it is going to be very important, because tomorrow we are going to do what? Traversal, PFS, DFS, traversal. We'll try to finish up tomorrow's class. Alright guys, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll be posting all the notes and the links of all the things in the description below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, I hope so. This is very much clear, and let's stop the live stream guys. I will see you guys in tomorrow's class. Till then, take care, happy learning, and guys, bye bye.